Okay, we just arrived at the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse. Make sure you check out the motovlog video. We just did that. Took a lot of wrong turns. I hope I can edit that video out so it's not too confusing. But yeah, anyways, we are here at the lighthouse in Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. We've never been here before. This is all new. So I've seen it on YouTube, and I've seen pictures of it here and there. But anyways, the lighthouse is over there. We'll get around here and get a better view here in a second. Little gift shops. And there it is. Do we just walk up that way or what? All right. Oh, thank you, sir. Can't forget the water. So anyways, let me get a good, there it is. Okay, according to WikiLeaks. Okay, anyways, got distracted there. According to Wiki, this thing is 351 feet and was built in 1903 by the Americans. I've read 1905, I've read 1903, I've read Americans, then I've read Americans, Filipinos, and I've read Americans, Filipinos, and British. I don't know. So anyways, but WikiLeaks says it was built in 1903 by Americans. So don't yell at me if I got my history wrong. I'm taking it right from WikiLeaks. So anyways, let's go up and take a look. Maybe this will tell us what we need to know. Cape Bolinao Lighthouse. It is the second tallest lighthouse in the Philippines and century-old, built by Filipino, American, and British engineers in 1905. It rises majestically 351 feet above sea level atop Punta Piedra Point, a towering hill of solid rock which is the sharp point of Cape Bolinao itself. The lighthouse provides a panoramic view of the West Philippine Sea. According to the Bureau of Geodetic Surveys, the land elevation is 250 feet, visibility is 20 miles at mid-sea towards the lighthouse in Portal Point and La Union. The winding stair has 6 platforms with 20 steps or rungs for a total of 120 steps, plus 14 more to the illumination rooms, or an overall total of 134 steps. So there you go. That clears it all up. Who built it, when it was built, all that good stuff. So yeah, 351 feet. It's pretty big. We are not allowed inside though. Too bad. Yeah, that kind of sucks. But anyways, no big deal. I'll walk around clockwise. Kind of give you a quick view of what's going on back here. Little structures surrounding the lighthouse. This one's kind of cool. This is the one you see all the pictures of when you go on, when you look it up in Google, whatnot. These little buildings here are kind of interesting. Anybody knows what they are, by all means, make a comment. Well, it shouldn't be too hard to figure out what these are, or were. Restroom, shower room, something to that. Looking out the back way here, opposite the ocean. Another building tucked back in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a lot of brush. I'm not going to try to go back there with just my, with my shorts on. Anyways, you're having a look inside here. I'm sure they're just shower rooms. Another one. And then these, I would imagine, are the bathrooms. Yep. Yeah. All right. And another one. Look at this, like a little row of rooms. Huh. With a tree growing right in the middle of this first room here. An old wall busted up, rebar still sticking out of it. So maybe people that worked here lived in these little rooms, maybe? I don't know. Looks like a fireplace almost down there. Yep, so you got a wall here. That used to be right here. And then a wall right here. It's all busted up. So yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 separate rooms. These walls are still up. Of course, the ocean. This is constructed June 25th, 64. What is this dang thing? Bowling house, you can barely read it. Anyways, looks like a water tank to me, but I could be wrong. Beautiful view. I'm going up these stairs on this. What is this? This is. Hey. Lazo Police Co. Oh, I can't pronounce all that. Let's go up here. Let's take a look in here. Looking out the window here. Get yourself a nice panoramic view of the South China Sea or the West Philippine Sea, whichever you want to call it. open roof. It's real pretty up here, guys. Another room. That doesn't go back into anything. Yeah, the roof is completely gone on this building. Pretty nifty. And the other side, which is pretty much the same. It's back, looking back at those 4 rooms that we just took a peek inside. And there's that round cylindrical shaped concrete structure, whatever it is. Water, I don't know. I can't read what it says on the side. Maybe some septic tanks down there. Don't know. Go down here and take another look around. Look at that, there's like these little passageways underneath the building. Pretty neat. Cruise around here, see what's going on. Hey, hon.
Hi, I'm waiting for you. I let you do your privacy.
Yeah, nah, it's fine. Okay, so then we got the perimeter down there. Looks like a perimeter wall going around down the bottom there. Solar panels. Looking back up at the lighthouse. That is really neat. I wish I could go in there. Okay, and I'm running out of path here. Okay, the perimeter wall down there. Sea is gorgeous. Look at that. I bet it's really nice up here at sunset. The sun will drop. Pew! Right over there somewhere. Let's go take a look at what this is over here. Oh, okay. More bathrooms. Road going back down the hill. Another bathroom. And then just a little patio area, I guess. Just people come out here and sit. I don't know. Take pictures. So there you have it, guys. The Cape Bowling-Owl Lighthouse, 351 feet tall, built in 1905. WikiLeaks says 1903. The sign out the front there says 1905. Americans. So there are some Filipinos and British involved in that as well. So, anyways, there you have it. The lighthouse in Ballino. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. And till next time, have a nice day.